In the previous video, we have studied about optical medium, refraction of light, some phenomena related to refraction. Now we will study about laws of refraction. Laws of refraction. There are two laws of refraction. First, the incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal to the refracting surface, all lie in same plane. ठीक है, जैसे let us suppose ये वाटर है, इधर एयर है और ये वाटर है. ठीक है. अब रे ऑफ लाइट एयर से वाटर में ट्रेवल करता है, तो ये पॉइंट ऑफ इंसिडेंस, दिस सरफेस इज द सरफेस विच सेपरेट टू मीडिया, एयर एंड वाटर. दैट्स व्हाई इट विल बी रिफ्रैक्टिंग सरफेस. And this one point of incidence. Whenever a line is drawn through point of incidence perpendicularly to the surface separating two media, then it is called normal. ठीक है. अब देखिए, this one incident ray. The ray should be like this, but here medium gets changed. That's why ray of light deviates from its original path. है ना? This one ray is known as refracted ray. The first law of refraction states that incident ray, refracted ray, and normal to the surface which separate two given media all lie in same plane. है ना? यानी इंसिडेंट रे, रिफ्रैक्टेड रे, नॉर्मल all lie in same plane. Second law of refraction is the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to sine of angle of refraction is always constant for two given media and for a given color of light. Given color of light मतलब light which wavelength is fixed. Different color has different wavelength. है ना? It means here this one incident ray, this one normal. Angle between incident ray and normal is known as angle of incidence. Angle between refracted ray and normal is called angle of refraction. है ना? तो रेशियो ऑफ साइन ऑफ एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस यानी साइन आई अपॉन साइन आर इज इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट. दिस कांस्टेंट इज डिनोटेड बाय एन और म्यू, वेयर n or mu is refractive index of medium containing refracted ray containing refracted ray with respect to medium containing incident ray. As for example, in this diagram, incident ray is in air, refracted ray is in water. That's why for these two given media, value of cyanide upon cyanide is equal to refractive index of water with respect to air, है ना. NWA means refractive index of water with respect to air. Second law is given by Dutch mathematician and astronomer Professor Wild-Brorard, है ना. This law is given by Dutch mathematician and astronomer Professor Wild-Brorard. Hence, so this law is known as Snell's law. Professor William Wild-Brorard Snell, the full name of mathematician and astronomer Wild-Brorard Snell, है ना. So this law is called Snell's law. ओके. अब देखना ये है let us suppose this one medium 1 and this one medium 2. Let us suppose ray of light travels from medium 1 to medium 2. This one normal, this one I, this one R. ठीक है. Here sin I upon sin R, known as refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1. Let us suppose it is glass, it is water, here ray of light travels from glass to water. Here ray of light travels glass to water. Glass is denser, water is rarer. It means ray of light travels denser to rarer. So ray of light will move away from normal. This one I, this one R. For this diagram, value of sin I by sin R will be refractive index of water with respect to glass. ओके. अब इस पर हम एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. लेट अस सपोज वी हैव गिवन angle of incidence if question is if angle of incidence is 43 degree and angle of refraction is 30 degree. Find refractive index. अब refractive index is equal to sin I upon sin R. Sin I means sin 43 डिग्री और R का वैल्यू क्या है 30 डिग्री. sin 43 डिग्री इसका वैल्यू होता है 0.681998. sin 30 का वैल्यू 0.5. आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन वी गेट 1.36 है ना. यानी कि whenever ray of light travels from one medium to another medium such that angle of incidence 40 degree, angle of refraction 30 degree, then refractive index of medium containing refracted ray will be 1.36 with respect to medium containing incident ray. Okay, pause the video and note down. Your next topic is refractive index. Refractive index.